Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome back to TechBlock. Today, LED strip. Finally, we're adding a little bit more RGB to the gaming setup, which is like right over there. We're gonna be unboxing everything, setting it up, testing it out over on this desk over here. It's gonna be pretty sick. We got a bunch of products here. Well, by a bunch, I kind of mean one, but like a bunch of different items you gotta combine into one to make it all work. We have the LED strip itself, 5 meters, the power cord, power supply, and of course the LED controller itself is also here. All of these products were sent to me by BTF-Lighting. Link in the description to all this stuff down below there. So if you want to go check out this LED strip by yourself, you can do. This is a very special one. This is not like a generic, potato of an LED strip that only has one color at a time. Oh, hell no. This is a WS2812B LED strip. You may be like, what the hell is that? Imagine the wave effect found on like a Razer keyboard, but on an LED strip. I know, it's gonna be a sick time when we put in this guy behind the main setup, of course, behind the desk, and hopefully just making the sickest rainbow effects ever. So, with all that said, let's open this guy up. This is a little bit different to what I'm usually used to seeing. We got like this 3-pin connector here, a white wire, a red wire, and the exact same on this side as well. How this is all going to connect and work, I don't have a goddamn clue, but hopefully we can make it all work. Ooh, we got another wire. Oh, Jesus. Right, power supply. Power cord, this is a very, very strange connector. Like, this is tiny. I don't understand how this is even possible, but all right. Hopefully this doesn't blow up. We have a blue light, probably a good sign. LED controller. Okay, we need power. Okay, we will have to download an app on our phone to be able to control everything. What the hell is next? Do we just plug this guy in and hope for the best? Oh my God, that's it. I'm gonna unroll a little bit of it. We essentially have like, the RGB rainbow wave effect on an LED light strip. And this thing is not like super expensive or anything either. This ain't expensive at all, man. And it's freaking Wi-Fi. Where's my phone? I need my phone. I'm gonna download the app. Okay, I've got my phone. We have the LED controller with the QR code on the controller. Let's just put our phone there. Boom. So, this should take us directly to the App Store. There we go. Okay, Fairy Nest. Right, we've finally downloaded the app. Good stuff. Unfortunately, now we have to make a whole account on the app to even make this thing work. So let's get this set up. Okay, we have made the app. We have an account on here. All good. There's a button on here, which is like a power button basically. On the controller, we can turn the whole thing on and off. Pretty cool. Now, we should probably add this device to the Wi-Fi. Device is networking. I'm assuming to make this device paired to Wi-Fi, we have to hold the power button. Okay. Ooh, what in the hell was that? It began to flash white. Should we continue letting it flash white? The device might bind to the app? I don't know, man. Right, it's been probably like 20 minutes or so that I've been trying to get this thing to connect to my Wi-Fi network. I had a similar problem with Toby, the robot vacuum that we have in the apartment now. We couldn't get him. Well, I couldn't get him to connect to the Wi-Fi network, probably because the Wi-Fi here is kind of dodgy. I don't know what to do, man. It keeps saying device is networking, and then, yeah, it just says device networking failed. Just keep saying that over and over again. It is on a 2.4 gigahertz network. I don't know what the hell it wants from me, man. It could be because the Wi-Fi in this whole apartment is like on a VPN, but that's the only way to get things working. Like Alexa doesn't work unless I put the whole internet on the VPN. So it's kind of weird. I don't know what to do, man. It's not working. Even though it's not working, I'm gonna probably still stick this thing behind the desk and just like set it up when we have normal internet, which should be this month. Like apparently that's what we've been told, that this month we should get internet installed, like fiber optic broadband for the whole building. Will this happen? I don't know. Will they actually bring fiber to the building? I have no idea, man. I'm just kind of like quite frustrated because I've been trying to get this goddamn LED strip to connect to my Wi-Fi network so that we can control all the lighting effects and all, because it has like 180 different lighting effects that you can play around with. 180. And they're not just like static colors, they're freaking dope. But the problem is, can't get it on the Wi-Fi network. And this whole thing has kind of like stressed me out a little bit because, man, like this is not the first time this has happened, because like smart home devices in this apartment, for some reason just hate me. Hence why we don't really have like Philips Hue, anything set up, because nothing works. It's like no RGB. No RGB for this apartment, dude. No. You can pick up your own TechBlock mug on the TechBlock store. Check it out, link in description. It's pretty sick. Right, coffee has been acquired. Right, we've shut down the PC, the monitor's off, that's all good. We have to go over to the storage area. Here we go, we have a power supply. This is a power strip amp, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so we have a 6-socket power strip. This will be stuck beneath the desk there, and we won't have 2 black cables plugged into there. It will just be a white cable going straight up, so kind of blend into, you know, the environment a little bit better. And then one more thing we need is double-sided tape, preferably very strong double-sided tape. I found this tape, it might be good enough. Scissors, tape acquired. Now the tape I'm putting on now, I know I've used it in the past, but I can't quite remember if this was the good tape or the bad tape. Because if it's bad, we'll know, as the power strip will most definitely fall off of the table. But if it's good, it'll stay on. Unfortunately though, I feel like this is the not so high quality double-sided tape. It doesn't hold objects like power strips very well to IKEA Lindholm desks. That's one. But that will definitely not be enough. We have to like layer this up as much as we possibly can. Ooh. I'll put like 2 more strips down, then hopefully we might be alright. I'm almost certain I have better double-sided tape in the apartment. I just have no idea where it is. So, you know, we're just gonna use this for now. Oh, it is ready. We just have to carefully attach this power strip somewhere beneath the desk. Now, ideally, what I want to do is I want this to be going towards the direction of where, you know, the power sockets are on the wall there. So there's a pretty good chance I might just place it like right here. Then we can just route this directly there. So let's say about here. Let's, you know, make sure this is somewhat well stuck on. Hopefully it holds. We'll turn the power off for both of these and just relocate them. Boom, simple as that, power's on. My bag of Velcro cable ties is right here. So we have to route this, this thick power cable into this J channel. I have quite a bit more cable left over though, which is a bit of a problem. Okay, so we've just improved the cable management a little bit more. You know, a few days ago, we attached the whole J channel cable management organizer kit beneath the desk there. That's probably why the cable management looks so damn clean. And we just improved it a little bit more by adding a power strip to the bottom of our desk. The LED strip is currently on my chair, and because of like all the rainbow lights and stuff, it kind of looks like Christmas decorations. But regardless, we're now ready to, you know, put this LED strip beneath the desk, power it all beneath the desk, cable manage everything quite well, should be good. Should hopefully turn out to look pretty good too. All right. Now there is one more thing we have to do before we get started. So I'm trying to decide which way I'm going to be sticking this power strip to the bottom of the desk. Okay, we've put a bunch of double-sided tape on here. Then I really try to press it down, make sure it's all good. Alrighty, we're done. All right, so let's put this guy right here. This cable going in here. Okay, so that's plugged in. Power supply, I think I'm just going to stick probably here. That is all on there. As for the LED strip, first of all, we have to sort out all the excess cable. And thank God I'm using J channels. Like, honestly, these things are the best. Just like, look at this, y'all. Stuff all the cable in there, hidden away, out of sight, nothing to worry about. Turn the power off, and then right here is where we can cut along the copper line there. This will be the perfect size, just like that. Peel off the rest of the adhesive there, and voila, we are done. Okay, time to put the power on. We're all done. Jesus Christ. That's actually good. And turn the PC on, turn the laptop back on. Wake up, Mr. West. This has taken me nearly 2 hours to complete, mainly because of the app just ruining my life. But we got it all done. Power strips attached, cable management is better than ever for the most part. There are still a few bits and pieces we can improve on, which I'll hopefully try and do as soon as possible. But regardless of the cable management, the start of this video is of course this LED strip that we've attached behind the desk there. And as you can see, cable management still pretty damn loyal in my opinion. I've tried to do my best here and there. Basically, I'm trying to avoid sticking anything else beneath the desk unless I absolutely have to. So that's kind of why things aren't like entirely perfect, but you know, it is what it is. Cable management is still pretty damn good, and the LED strip looks freaking amazing, man. It goes all the way from that side of the desk, all the way around the corner there, and kind of ends there perfectly. It is a shame though that the app doesn't work, and the only effect I have is this. You know, luckily it is the wave effect, but it is pretty damn like, you know, fast. It's a very fast wave effect. I wish I could slow it down, but I can't because the app doesn't work for me. But I will get the app to work. I'll contact the company, maybe they can help me out, and then hopefully I can do like a more in-depth video going over this sick LED strip. But today I just kind of wanted to install it, you know, get it set up, because as I said in my previous video, we're gonna add an LED strip to the back of the desk and basically just, you know, make the whole setup have a whole lot more RGB. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Setup's improving slowly, a lot more RGB, cable managed finally. What we're going to be adding to the setup next, we shall find out very soon. Maybe it'll be some speakers. I don't know, man, we'll see. As always, link in the description to the product featured today, the LED light strip. Check them out, maybe buy it yourself. Hopefully the app works for you. But yeah, hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.